Hi guys, this is Tejas, and this is going to be a tutorial on web development. We are going to learn like various things in this course, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some. We will also be learning some frameworks like Bootstrap, and like further down the course, we'll also learn some advanced topics like Node.js and like database like Postgres. Who are like interested can continue. So let's get started. I just wanted to start this course with a basic understanding on how a website actually works. So I found this image. Usually, like a user, he has a device like a laptop or a mobile, and he wants to access a website, right? So he wants to access some website like you will be typing www.google.com or like facebook.com or something, but the catch here is like the web server, it doesn't understand the name which the user is like typing, like google.com or something so it understands only the IP address. Like IP address are like the set of numbers like this, for example, on 50.2.5.10. So later in this course, we'll also learn like how to understand the types of IP address and how to read this. So yeah, usually it understands just the numbers, right? So when the user like types the name, we use a service like called domain name system. This service, what it does is it converts or translates the what user is typing like google.com into an like a number which is understood by the web server. So now like we send the request to the web server. The web server took the request and it needs to respond. Like it will send a respond the resource. So the resource will be like an HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. So like this will be like displayed on the user's device. This device can be, as I mentioned, a laptop or a mobile. So yeah, basically let me briefly go through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So HTML is like the structure of the website, and the CSS is usually used for styling. The styling can be like the fonts, the colors, the layout, and things like this. And JavaScript is usually used for like interactivity and like for dynamic behavior of the website. So yeah, I know it's a bit boring just reading through this. So let me show you an actual example. So this is my portfolio website, and so as you can see, there is some styling done, like the using CSS. For example, like you see the color over here is black in the background, and here it's white. So these things are done using CSS. And like on any website, if you like right click and you click on view page source, you can see the HTML code over there. So yeah, this is the code of my website. So let us go back to it. And one last thing I need to show you is like JavaScript, right? So we briefly talked about it. It's like the interactivity of a website. So this can be something like when you click on something, it takes you to somewhere else. So for example, if I click here on my work, it takes us to the place in the website. It actually shows my work. So yeah, this is done using like JavaScript. And yeah, one more thing I can show you is like if you like hover over some of this my projects, you can see it's been highlighted, like it's been a bit bright. So this is done with combination of JavaScript and CSS. So we'll like see this later down the course. So yeah, that's it. I'm hopeful like if you complete this course, by the end of it, like you will be able to build your own portfolio website, maybe even cooler than mine. Thank you, and yeah, let us continue in the next video where we'll start with the basics of HTML. Thank you. Bye.